Look what we got pulling in. We got a Viper, 06, another Viper. Oh, that Viper's a bad bitch. Camaro, and another Viper. Quite a lot of Vipers here. And we got a 06. We got a full house here. That silver is so beautiful. And we also got silver TRX, green redeye, mine obviously, and Anthony's white TRX. Now this is a bad right here. With that being said, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Why did I say good morning? It's more like good evening. And we got more cars rolling up. Hellcat, Cat, Mustang. Got a Benz. And we got Dominic Toretto right there. And then we also got a Demon right here. Look at this thing on welds all around, same wheels I have, except he has the front runners. What do you guys think of this look? You guys think I should get front runners for my redeye, like once to match the rears? Let's take a close look at these two Vipers. So here you have the GT and here you have the GTS-R, which is a higher version of an ACR. So let me show you guys the differences. Got the hood different. See, that has 6 vents, well 7 actually, including the middle, and this has 3. Then you have the flares right here, those, and then you have the splitter as well that this doesn't have. And then you go back here. Oh, also these, the flares doesn't have it here. And then you come back here, you got this huge wing. I mean, this wing literally makes the entire car, where this does not have a wing. Also the diffuser, there's a diffuser on that, no diffuser on that. This is about $200,000 right now, and this is about 110, 120, so big price difference. But both of them have a 8.4 liter, so they're pretty much the same car performance wise, but this one performs a lot better around the track. So the only really difference between this and this are the arrows. So you got wing, flares up there, and the splitter. So, but performance wise they're pretty much the same, besides that this one is actually twin turbo, but the owner did that. But just from factory they're pretty much the same car, you know, when you're talking about performance wise. So let me know, which one would you go with for the money? So 200,000 here, 120 here, which one would you go with? And also remember, all the stuff I just showed you, you could buy them and install them on this one. Also, look at the interior of this thing. Got Alcantara steering wheel, bucket seats, says Viper right there, red seat belts. And on this side it says GTS-R, and it is the 89th car. Get some of this juice in here, and then I definitely need some Red Bull. This is the best flavor right here, the kiwi apple. Hey, running! We also got a beautiful ACR right in front of us, and we have the Scam Corvette. We got a 720S here. bumper to bumper everywhere. Look at this. Literally bumper to bumper. And the cops are here, ready to kick us out. Alrighty. What's up, Nick?
See ya.
Looking good as ever. There goes the charger. It is almost done, literally. So let me show you guys everything that has been done. So the bumper is back on. So a few things were changed. Let me pop the hood for you guys. Okay, so obviously the condenser was changed, the radiator, the fan was cracked. Let me show you guys. Here are the parts that were broken. So this, I showed you guys, it's bent a little bit. So this is new on there, you can't see it there. This was damaged a little bit. Okay, let's put that here. And then the fan is cracked right here and right here. So we had to replace this. Obviously, the headlight was not damaged, but the little clamps right here, see? Right there. So these are the new ones. These were broken, so we got a new headlight here, and then this was broken, so this would go like right here, somewhere over here. We're still waiting for this to come in. It's gonna come in tomorrow. This was broken as well. That's all new on there. So here is the older bumper. As you can see, the hit was such a light hit. Literally just this broke this, but like I said, it wasn't a crazy hit. But here is the new bumper painted. The only thing we are waiting on is this right here. So the plastic pieces here and the hose right here. Basically, when it got hit, it got pushed into the pulley right here and it ripped it. I don't know if you guys can see it. So tomorrow the hose is supposed to come in and this piece right here is supposed to come in. And then the only thing we got two more things left to do. We got to PPF the bumper. We got the PPF, so we got to do that. We got to PPF one of the headlights because the other one was fine, so we didn't have to change it. As you see, the clamps didn't break. It's still PPF'd. And then this one isn't PPF, so we got to PPF that. We got to PPF the bumper, and we got to wrap the bumper in this green right here. So we got to obviously match it, which we bought a whole nother roll. Because remember, the vinyl that I use, they don't sell it by a foot, 2, 3, 4, 5. You gotta buy the entire roll. Literally, if you need an inch of this roll, they won't sell you. You have to buy the entire roll. So we had to, pay $700 for that. But yeah, everything is pretty much ready to go back to normal. So I think it'll be done tomorrow. So this video will get continued tomorrow when the car is done, but I had to just stop by real quick to show you guys the progress. All right, it is. I'm supposed to be the one talking. Come on, man, you just interrupted me. We're gonna be taking delivery of my Charger redeye. It's been way too long that the car has been gone, and it is finally done, finally fixed. And we are gonna be taking it home today. You guys have no idea how relieved I am. Alrighty, it is time to see the car. The moment we have all been waiting for. Bam, here it is. You guys are probably all wondering, why is the bumper not wrapped? It's Saturday and it's 6 p.m. The shop usually does not open on the weekends, but they opened it up just so they could get my car done. So unfortunately, I want the car back for the weekend. So I was like, you don't have to wrap the car. I'll just come back and get it done later. But I just wanted the car back. So we are gonna take delivery of it like this. We still PPF the bumper. That was important. I was not gonna take it out without PPFing the entire bumper and the headlights, obviously, so it can protect the bumper. Look how wide this thing is. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Anyways, thank you, Martin. I'm out of here.
Go to your house?
Yes. All right, who is ready for a quick pull? We'll do a 40 in second. It is great to be back in here. I haven't done a pull in this thing in 4 months. Yeah, it's been that long.